Have you ever thought about turning your kitchen utensils or random household items into instruments? The Unexpected Object Talent Show is taking TikTok by storm. This trend invites everyone to showcase their hidden talents using unconventional props. Imagine playing a classic tune on a frying pan or creating a beat with a pair of rubber chickens. Here's your chance to shine and show off your creativity. Start by picking an everyday object. It could be a broom, a blender, or even a laundry basket. Next, think about how that object can help you express your talent. Can you dance with it? Maybe you can juggle kitchen sponges or perform a comedy skit using that broom as a prop. The key is to make it entertaining and surprising. To up the game, add a fun twist by incorporating some unexpected sound effects or costumes related to your object. Record your performance and edit the video for maximum impact. Use upbeat music to set the mood and make sure to engage your audience with your energy. Post your video and challenge your friends to join in on the fun. Let's see who can come up with the most creative acts using the most bizarre objects.